Have you guys ever wanted to just take absolutely amazing, sick drone photos, but just don't know where to start? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to actually crush your photography game with whatever drone you have. Hey guys, it's Damon, the filmmaker slash photographer who's all about creating content for the entire world, even you. And if you're new to my channel and want to follow me along the road to success and hard work, then you might as well just click that little subscribe button down below and click that little bell next to it so you don't miss anything. First tip I'm going to give you guys is called the top-down shot. All you're going to want to do is fly the drone directly above your subject, tilt the camera down 90 degrees, and literally just take the picture. With pictures like these, it just makes it look way more professional. It adds a new perspective, and overall it just looks cool. To me, I don't really do a lot of these shots just because honestly I don't think about it. It's a really cool idea to put into your photography game. If you want to take this tip and add it to your portfolio of photography skills, then be my guest, because it's going to up your game and it's going to make your photos just overall look better. Now the next tip to up your photography drone game is what I like to call the leading line shot. There should be a setting inside the drone app that lets you see an X grid. Once you find that, try and place one of those little diagonal lines on whatever you're trying to capture. Make it line up perfectly. It doesn't really matter which one. And then once you do that, it should make your shot look a whole lot better with a lot more purpose, and it looks more professional. It adds that bit of depth that you need. You can also use this with the rule of thirds tip too. And for my third and final and probably most repeated tip amongst all of my videos is, you guessed it, the rule of thirds shot. I know I keep mentioning this, but as you can see, it's a very common and very useful tip for beginners. You can use this shot on really anything. Just line your subject or the horizon on one of the horizontal lines at the bottom, and that is it for the top 3 tips that will absolutely crush your drone photography game in 2020. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, leave a like, leave a comment on what I should do next, what kind of ideas I should do next, and yeah, I think that's it. I hope you guys are having a great day, and I will catch you guys on the flip.